Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. I'm also great. So today I'm going to share with you how to practice. I'm every day. Yes, how to practice every day. So if you want to fluently speak this language, you have to practice a lot because practice makes you perfect. Achieve this language. So this language is easy and very funny. If you want to achieve this language, you have to practice every single day. This means consistency. If you apply in your life consistency, you have to you will be able to fluently speak English very easy, very fastly. So first needs consistency, and second needs try to speak. Thirdly need shadowing. If you do shadowing in a way every day, and you will be able to fluently speak English very fastly. You will be talk in English easily, because shadowing very important for speaking English. Yes. And third is listening. You have to listen a lot video, speaking, shadowing, listening, and make videos. You have to make videos. If you make videos every single day, like speaking English, then you will be see your videos. Why do you mistake, why do you feel nervous, why do you talk very slow, very fast. So you have to make video also. Four things always remember. If you apply in your life four things, you will be able very fastly speak English. And if you want another things, like learn grammatical thing, is okay, but you have to learn grammatical things a little bit, because don't need don't need a lot of grammatical thing, because grammatical thing little bit is okay. You have to listening most, you have to speaking, shadowing, and make videos, and learn grammatical thing is okay. So if you want to fluently speak English, then you have to four and or five things use in your life every single day, consistency. Then you will be able to fluently speak English. So I'm trying to my best every single day, and when I get free time, and when I free, then I practice every single day. Yes, I practice every single. This means I apply on in my life consistency, because consistency very very important in my life. If I achieve anything uh, very fastly, I have to consistency. I know that's why I use in my life consistently every single day. And today I'm here and I practice in front of camera, and I hope that I will be go to a lot. I will go to a lot far, because I have a big dream. That's why I practice this language very fastly, because if I if I win this step, I will be go to second step. I will be going to second step, because this my learning is my first step, because learning is very important in my life. That's why I learned every single day. And I think that if you learn this language, will master. If you learn this language, like master, if you master this language, then you will be get a lot of opportunity. English little bit, any marketing, any freelancing little bit, academic study little bit. Don't need. Yes, don't need. A lot of people like you, they know little bit grammatic, they know little bit English, fluency, and academic study, but they don't anything, because they little bit things, basic things don't need every place, like any job, any business, any kind of teaching, any kind of financing, any place. Little bit things don't need. That's why if you want to achieve anything, you have to master about these things, about on these things, because master very important. If you want to any things learn in your life, you have to master on these things. So be careful what will you want to learn. So what will you want to learn, first of all, put in your mind that I will be master about these things. I will be master about these things, because master only one of the things that I will be only do anything I will do, like related about this. Like I learn English, I will do anything about like this way. if I learn English properly, if I learn English about master expert, so obviously need my learn English, I will be master about this language. That's why I say every time that if you learn anything, but you have to master that thing. So very basic thing that uh, I'm covering very basic thing that this thing is, you learn anything, you have to master on these things. Okay, so no more today, I will talk with you later. I will talk with you next video. Thank you.